Hi friends, so as promised by us Team Foca Fitness, we present to you a series of Garba tutorials starting from today. These Garba tutorials are basically intended to teach you steps in a very simple and a doable manner. There are a lot of steps in Garba, however we are not going to be teaching you something extraordinarily new, but we are going to be showing you some variations what you can do with the old traditional Garba steps. Why Garba? Garba because Garba is very close to my heart, because this entire concept of Foca Fitness actually happened because of Garba when I was visiting a very small village in Gujarat. That's how Foca Fitness happened. Story about Foca Fitness in some other following video. Basically we celebrate 9 nights during Garba festival known as Navratra, where we have a full-on celebration, dance and music in honor of Goddess Durga. It is also said that during these 9 nights, Goddess Durga actually comes down to earth and dances amongst us when we do Navratri, when we dance Garba. So you never know, you might just get lucky and you might just bump into Goddess Durga while doing good Navratri steps, Garba steps.
And are you going to teach us?
Yup, absolutely. So let's get set to learn some nice fabulous Garba steps. Alright. So this is my team. This is Nitz, this is Sunita, and this is
Akansha.
Alright, and you know me, I am Twinkle. Alright, so starting with the first very simple basic step. You know, Garba is a total full body workout where they always begin the music on a slow pace, and then they pick up the pitch and then they go to extremely high level, and you know how mesmerizing that high level looks. So starting with the very first step that you would be doing, let's start with the footwork. So we take our right leg forward, we go 1, then 2 on the spot, the second one is, then you take it 3 and 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another variation is 1, 2 and together 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at the hands. So when you go forward, you know Garba is all about big hands and big body movements. So you cannot have shrunk elbows and shrunk shoulder. You need to take the whole verge into your arms and then step forward and go upward, clap and then tap, come back. Alright, so very simple. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also known as Ek Tali, single clap. The variation that you can do sometimes when you start and everything is quite slow, you need a little different stuff to do. So instead of just clapping, you can simply go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Another variation, roll, clap and come back. Roll, clap and come back. Roll, clap and come back. Roll, clap and come back.
Yes, I'm doing it. You guys got it? You got it too.
The best thing is that if you have never done Garba, you can really start doing by seeing these tutorials, and they are all doable and simple steps. Okay, so now let's see. Generally we do it in a circle, so let's see how it would look in a circle, and let's do it with music now. Alright, hold on.
Do with us. If we can do it, you can do it too. We're also learning for the first time.
I agree. First in the straight line, okay?
Kumkumna padla pada, maina hendra jana.
begin with. We will be coming with a series of more steps. This is just a single clap. There are more claps to be added. There are more combinations that you can work on your own once you know the steps. Also, one thing is every folk dance is done to celebrate joy, to celebrate seasons. Whenever you do any kind of folk dance, don't forget to move your neck. So in anything, just move your neck and smile and grab attention. Thank you.
Thank you.